Hello, children. This is Miss Carolyn.
And Miss Kim.
Today's reading, we're going to work on long vowel E. Short vowel E. Same letter, different sound. Like always, write your words before reading.
Wow.
Oh, nice. Now, remember, when there's one vowel, it makes a, e, o sound. So, it will be g because there's one vowel. When there's two vowels,
the first vowel says the long sound, E, and the second vowel is quiet. Each, peach. Yum, I like to eat peaches.
And E, first one goes long, E, and second one does not make any sound. E, sh, E, p, sheep, sheep. And this is a special E sound.
When Y comes at the end of a word, it says E, like a puppy.
All right, so are we ready to read?
Yes.
All right, first one. T, e, n, 10. 10.
Team. Team. Team.
Beef. Beef.
Happy. Happy. Are you happy today?
And always remember, when there's a double letter, it makes one sound. Pa 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 pa. D. Red. Red. D. Read. Read.
Jeep. Jeep is a kind of a car. Jeep.
D. E. Daddy. Daddy.
Set. Set.
Eat. Seat. Seat.
Eat. Feet. Feet.
E. Mommy. Mommy.
Met. Met.
Eat. Meat. Meat.
Eat. Meat. Meat. This meat is food that you eat from an animal. This meat is nice to meet you.
E. Funny. Funny. You like to say that word a lot. When we ask you, how are you, or what did you do, you cannot say, I am funny.
You can say, I'm having fun.
Yes.
All right, let's read our story. First story, we'll focus on E, a real team. The boys from the baseball team were at the beach. Tom's dad made a meal for them to eat. They had meat, peaches, and a treat. He gave them ice cream. After they ate, they played by the sea. When they were done, it was time to clean. The boys cleaned together, just like a real team. They left the beach nice and neat. All right, you can pause the video and read this on your own. And then you can find the E words. Ready? Real, team, team, beach, meal, eat, meat, peaches, treat, cream, sea, clean, cleaned, real, team, beach, neat. Find all the E words. All right, let's answer some questions.
What is the setting of the story, Miss Kim?
What does setting mean?
Setting means it's a place where the story takes place.
The place of the story, they were at the beach. So the setting is the beach. The setting of the story is at the beach.
What did the boys eat?
Oh, they ate meat, peaches, and ice cream.
They also had some treats.
Oh, I think the treat was ice cream.
Oh.
The boys had meat, peaches, and a treat. Yum.
What did the boys do together at the end?
Oh, I forget. Let me look back. At the end. Oh, when they were done, it was time to clean. They cleaned together to keep the beach neat. Yeah, they cleaned up the beach. That was nice of them. All right.
All right, next story, we're going to focus on E. Long vowel E sound. Okay? Read along. Sheep in a jeep. 3 little sheep were driving a jeep. They were going to the shop to get cheese. The jeep stopped. Beep, honked the sheep. The jeep hit a tree on the street. The sheep turned the wheel. The jeep was free. The 3 little sheep seemed so happy. All right, pause the video. Try to read it on your own. Now, when you are reading, please be careful with the E word. It is very tricky. Sheep, jeep, cheese. It will be hard to read, but you can do it. Okay, now let's find all the E words. Sheep, jeep, 3, sheep, jeep, cheese, jeep, beep, sheep, jeep, tree, street, sheep, wheel, jeep, free, 3, sheep, seemed. Wow. Ooh. E. All right, let's answer some questions.
All right, question 1. How many sheep are in the story?
I think there were 3.
Yes, you're
sheep
correct.
in the story.
Where were the sheep going?
They were going to go buy some cheese, so they were going to a shop.
Oh. Sheep like to eat cheese?
I guess so.
I didn't know that. Why did the sheep honk? Honk honk.
Because I think they ran into a tree.
Uh-oh. The Jeep hit a tree.
On the street.
Oh my. All right.
All right, so like always, last page, do it on your own. Read and find all the long EY sound and answer the question.
Send us the picture on Class Dojo message.
Yes, please do.
Thank you for those who did it.
Great job reading.
Goodbye.
Bye.